double bell 0, ano nga to? 059? Tama? 059 John Wick rifle. So full metal yung unit with markings ng TTI. So naka-cleaned handguard, naka BCM flash hider, may front and rear sight, metal yung charging handle, metal yung selector, naka BCM grip, metal yung bolt release. Meron na rin siyang adapter for accessory attachment. May markings din dito. And guys, yung magazine capacity niya is 300 rounds na P magazine with TTI base plate. Yung stock niya, SL stock, adjustable. Then may kasama na rin siyang LiPo battery at saka charger. Ang price is 12,300. Then may butterfly swivel na rin for sling attachment. Shoutout pala kay Sir Clever. I-test natin. Hindi ka naman galit. Okay, so guys, ayan. Kung may mga questions kayo regarding this unit, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby.